their safety, children are not permitted to ride the escalator in strollers. Also, there is no smoking, please. As you step on the escalators, please stand on the center.
Also for Blue from the movie Jurassic World. We invite you guys to join our queue by entering in front of the Cheerio stand, which luckily is closed.
She does not. We only have 4 dinosaurs here at the park since we've had to breed them. So we have to breed her in a laboratory. We don't want any other dinosaurs. We have dinosaurs. It takes a lot, but
I have the room ready for you, Mrs. Barrington.
Thank you, Will.
Did you hear that? Mrs. Barrington.
Not quite, darling, but soon. Very, very soon. Hello.
Referred to as a quiet zone because we're so close to filming. Feel free to chat amongst yourselves or take photos, and I'll be back with you again here shortly. You'll find more filming of NBC's Superstore. Inside of that stage, a lot of Hollywood history was created. It's where we tested out the shark and Jaws, even built Mission Control and Apollo 13. Right inside of there. Realism was an